Alrighty. Welcome. Hello. Gonna do games. Try at least. Should have Jason in here in a little bit. And yeah. So today is gonna be Roboy. Hey, what was that? Cold Coated has followed. Thank you, Cold Coat. My son, Eviel Boogie, character designer for Roboy. Alrighty. So just a quick playthrough to kind of refamiliarize. Turn on the controller. So today, got to get these guys working. These 3 items here, gonna work on that, and then if I have time, probably going to work on the first actual real zone. We'll see. Kind of. Oh no, our rockets are broke. Why are the rockets broke? That's not. Wait, but we get them. Well, that's good. Okay, so the rockets aren't working correctly. That's weird because I could have swore I left it working correctly. But it's okay, I don't like the sound anyway. That sound there is horrible. So, yeah. This is going to be a fun day. I got to fix a broken element and then hook up some other elements. So, all right. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Okay, so the rocket, for some reason, let's see, do we get any console warnings? Nope. So why didn't the rocket work? Let's just see what happens. We put the player over there. It works when we start here, but if we start on title screen and go here, it doesn't work. So got to figure out what's going on there. I bet you it's on the item manager. What? Okay, so it works this time. Let's just try that again. Make sure. This is the fun part. Why did that work and then it didn't? I don't want that to happen if somebody plays the game for the first time. I don't have the jumps. Okay, so I don't... Yeah, and I gotta fix that too. The sound needs to go away after it plays. So... Excuse me. Alrighty. Hey, buddy, what's up? Why did the chat... Oh, it did play it. Okay, cool. Thanks for joining, man. Appreciate that. And I think starting tomorrow, we're going to be putting in... what you call it? Dozer. Dozer should be coming in tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, I'm sorry. Friday. Or maybe early next week. What am I doing? I need to go to test level, move the player back. Okay, so save that and let's start working on these guys. So it has a script called Graphic Raycaster. What am I? Oh, I'm on the timer. Let's see. This is going to be small charge. So small charge items. I'm going to use a script called basic item. So if we go to scripts, and I wrote this Monday, I think. Basic item. See. Oh, I didn't write it. I copied it. Yeah. And I need to figure out how to get the basic item instead of, we want it to be able to get larger and smaller, if I remember right. So, basic item is not on small charge. Is it on small charge? It was on small charge. Okay, remove component. So why won't we pick it up? So the collider. We don't have a rigid body, so we need rigid body 2D. Actually, we don't need the rigid body. I'm being an idiot. We need a box collider. Actually, we can go with a circle collider. Let's see what we're dealing with. Okay, so there's that. Small charge now has a collider. And this collider is not going to be a collider, it's going to be a trigger. And let's see. So now if we go to these basic item, let's get a little bit more organized here. Open this bad boy up. Oh, man, I really wish I could get this to let me know when somebody's talking to me. It says, maybe once you grab that item at the beginning, makes it glitch out and you can't grab stuff. Yeah, you know, you might be right about that, but it only seems to happen when I got...
Your screen just cut out. So I have no idea what you said. You said maybe, but it seems only when I do, and then it cut out.
Well, it's not cut out, so it's just probably something with bandwidth on our end. It's uploading and streaming fine. I mean, I guess I could go double check that instead of just, oops, wrong one. Okay, so quick pause. Says I'm live. What? It did. It stopped. Why did it stop? Huh. That's not good. What is Twitch saying? What do they have to say? What? Well, you gotta be kidding me. I know it's probably back now. I'm just double checking all the things here. It doesn't seem to be working though. The platforms. Maybe it is. Okay. Well, hopefully it is still working to all the places I put it out without any issues. Okay. Yeah, Cold Coat, you're back. Rad. That was weird. I didn't see any dropped frames over here. That's seems to be, it might be a Twitch deal. So I'm not gonna lie, that's not the first time that's happened. Okay, so back to where we're at. Argument null, exception value cannot be null. What value is null? Play. Oh, yeah. Need to have an audio source. And a part of add component. Audio source.
What's up?
What up, brother? Did you see the stream fallout?
No, I did not. Oh, it did actually. Like I didn't see it, but I heard it. I was setting up some things, and I heard the sound cut out for sure.
So I didn't drop any frames over here. I have 0 problems. So that's weird. All right, that's gonna be Audio
Yeah,
source.
not sure.
Pickup component temp sound. We'll use that one. Okay, so now we have a sound happening. We would like a spatial blend on that, I think. We did like a half. Maybe we did. What are you up to, brother? What are you going to be doing?
Probably trying to design some of the rest of these characters.
I need to send you that.
Or I could animate some more of these other things.
Are you talking about items?
Yeah. I guess the scrap, we don't really need to do anything to that.
Come on, Clint.
Unless you want it, I don't know. Do you want to animate the scrap?
Do I want to what? Animate what?
Animate the scrap. Like the little pieces of the basic item that you get to upgrade shit.
I'm not. My brain is not working. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a particle system. There we go. Okay.
I'll just do it anyway.
Yeah. The scrap, if you want to. I don't think we need that right now. Like right now, I think we're good. Let's just get the demo with the. We'll do a money.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do the money system. Once we get a few levels or a few areas built.
Okay.
Not digging that at all. I'm gonna go over here to my. Oh, wrong one. Okay, so.
Hold on a second.
Okay, so. Come on, dude. Okay. Let's try that. Zip up play on. Okay, sweet. Hey, that was kind of cool how it spun around. I like that. But that's because the thing is spinning. So we need to take off play on awake. Audio source, yeah. Excuse me. Word. Okay, so yeah, dude, they look cool when they're spinning. So what I can do is say on the basic item, once they pick it up, let's see. So if this happens, if the trigger happens, do this and start the coroutine to destroy it. But we want to set our, which is degrees per second, and that's called basic item. So we need a thing called basic item. Basic item. Basic item. Basic item is equal to get component. Basic item. We are in basic item. Yes. Okay. Actually, I don't even need, what am I doing? I'm in basic item. Okay, so we can say it's the rotate degrees per second. Is that public up here? Yeah, public degrees per second. Here we go. So if this happened, the first thing we do is say degrees per second is equal to 0. Let's try that. You know what's weird? Like, I know people are watching this chat, but it's telling me there's 0 viewers. It's hard to trust these platforms. All right, let's try this. Yo, yo, yo. There's 2 what? What is there 2 of? Okay, that worked. Now I just need to have it go away afterwards. What is there 2 of? Viewers? Yeah, that's weird. Got 0 right here. Stupid. All right. Okay, so I guess I should go ahead and fix this audio problem. Let me see what I got. Oh my gosh, get to what I want to get to. Okay. So if this happens, degrees per second, I could also move it, but then that moves the P system. Play. Degrees for source play, start coroutine destroy. So once it plays it, it waits 2 seconds. Bling. I'm gonna bet you if we do 1, let's see if that cuts it off too early. I still need to figure out how to allow the sound to stay, but then destroy it when it and not let it. We could say if the player has already grabbed it. Yeah. Okay. So let me try that again. We can say if the player has already grabbed it, then the sound audio, the audio source isn't disabled. Let's try it. If we do play one shot, let me look at something. So does not cancel clips that are already being played by audio source play one. Audio source play one shot does not cancel the clips. So yeah, we want, but audio source play does. What is play scheduled? Plays the clip at a specific time on absolute timeline that audio settings DSP time reads from. Yeah, I don't need that. So I guess we could say is found is not the right one. We don't want that. Okay, so actually it would work for this one. So if it is found, okay, so the first thing we say is found equal to true. Now down in update we say if, let's try this. We're gonna say if is found. Bug, what are you doing?
Grabbing your iPad?
Oh, okay. If is found, if not is found, we'll say return.
Tell Boogie I said what's up.
He just left.
Oh, he did. I was muted. I tried to say something earlier, but I was still muted. I had a phone call. So
Oh, gotcha. So if is found, if not is found, return. Else, I don't know if I like using if statements as much as else if is found. Actually, we can say else if is found, if not is found, return. Else if is found, we'll say else. Oh, I didn't even set up the audio component. Let me see. Audio source. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Say if is found, else source dot volume is equal to 0. Let's try that. Source dot volume is equal to 0. I don't know. Did it need a float? Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. It completely shuts it down. So I can say if the audio source is played, then I can destroy. No, that still doesn't work. Play one shot. I could do a play one shot maybe and then destroy it. Let's see. let's see, source play one shot. Doesn't want that. Plays on a clip. No overload method plays should take 0 arguments. Oh, it needs a clip source. So that would be source. All right, so you gonna let me do that? No. Go up here. We'll say public audio clip. Okay, so and then this will be an array. Audio clips. So we save that. Go in here. And the sound we want it to play. Did I not make it? What am I on? Basic items. Basic item. Public audio clips. Missing something here? Is it mono develop? Or mono behavior? Let's try. Oh my goodness. Learn to type. Oh my gosh. Okay.
That was the problems.
Yeah, dude. Sometimes my brain just goes ape. Okay, public audio clips. Clipis. I swear, dude, I can't type for shit today. Okay. What am I missing? I need to. Where is my? Oh, am I in start? No, yeah. It should. I mean, not start. Yeah, that should be working. Basic item. Basic item. What? Oh. Let me bring this back. That could be it. Okay, give me my thing. Give me what I want. All right, there we go. I'm gonna make this one. The audio clip will be pickup component. Clips 0. So it'll be play one shot clips 0. Oh, I need 14. To. What's up?
I'm just counting them aloud. Sorry.
This I'm like typing like a weirdo right now. Clip. You gonna work for me? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna turn off. We're gonna say, what was I trying to do? I was saying that if he picks it up, play one shot, and then I want to disable the audio. I think so. Play one shot. Start coroutine destroy. Let me just see how this works out. All right. I have to kill it at 12 today. Okay, we don't
No,
get
that's
the
fine.
sound.
No worries, dude.
I think what I'm doing with these is making the player make the sound. That's what I'm doing. Let me make sure I'm not. I think it's a horrible idea. Nope.
You said you're letting the player make the sound?
I'm just trying to remember how I set up the audio because I'm having a little conundrum here. So what's going on is when you pick up an object, it plays this, like if you pick it up and then run back over where it was after it disappears, the object is still there. It just tells the sprite renderer to go away, right? So
Okay.
what happens is if you run back over that same spot, you get the effects again, audio and particles. So it's not that big of a deal, but I want it to, like, whenever you touch it and you get the thing and it transfer whatever it gives to you, it stops doing that. But the thing is that if I tell it to not, like, as soon as you grab it to destroy the audio, well, it destroys the audio like in one cycle, so you don't hear anything. And then if I tell it to wait until the item's destroyed, which is what it's doing now, you hear it as you hit it over and over again.
Oh, really?
So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out, and I figured it out before I moved everything over from the player to the item manager.
Mm-hmm.
I had it working, but don't know why. I can't figure. I don't remember what I did because I've changed it. This is probably one of those times where I could probably use some formal education. But
well, you know, what you gonna do?
Sit here and make a game and stumble through it until it's done.
That's right, buddy. That's right.
All right, so let me see.
Like that. So I'm using the Roboy sprite sheet as kind of a template for these, by the way.
Perfect.
And I'm just making the normal little bad guys right now.
Okay, so it does flag that it's found. So maybe I could say if it is found. I'm gonna do a quick research. Look some stuff's up. Say, let's see. Unity, it's gonna be the play one shot, I bet, and that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay, so if collectible equals null and level complete equals false, collectible sound dot play one shot coin collect level complete equals true. It's pretty much kind of what I got going.
Crap.
Oh, did I load a clip? I don't think I loaded a clip. This might work. It's only a small charge. Yeah. So if is found, play clip, which is clips 0. Oh, what? Wait. I know this is like something stupid and simple, and I'm just like, you know, like a puzzle where it's like when you figure it out, you're like, duh, why didn't I get that? Like, you might have been
Right?
sitting there for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes not knowing what to do, and then when you figure it out, you feel like an idiot. I know that's what this is. This is something when I figure it out, I'm gonna feel stupid. All right, so let's just see if it'll still play the regular clip. I'm sure it will. And then it'll make me wonder, oh, do I have a mixer set up? I did set up a mixer. Not that it matters.
Okay, so that doesn't think I can still do. All right.
Oh. Let me go back to. Nothing. Yeah. Okay, so more or less music manager there. Sound. What is that? Item manager. So. Yep. So item manager should be managing the sounds. Why don't I put it there? Okay, so we got rocket. We're going to have a jump sound for the player. We're going to have a, it doesn't matter. We'll just do 5 sounds for the player. And then make the 6th one be... Excuse me. Dude, I don't know about you, man, but my allergies have been through the roof lately. I don't know what the deal is.
Oh, mine have been super terrible, bro. Super terrible. But it's been like that. It's been that way for like 6 months, though. It's been just a terrible, I don't know, last year for that stuff. And it's like everybody I know is saying the same thing. Everyone.
Because the freeze,
what do you got to say?
Yeah, it's because the freeze like killed off. This is what Stephanie said, and I agree with her. Freeze killed off a lot of things, and now they're all
just came
blooming back.
Yeah, right, with a vengeance.
Yep.
I believe that. I believe that wholeheartedly.
Basic item check. We got mover, grappler, item check. Let's look at what we got here. Scrap currency, small charge. Here we go. So if we have the charge, small charge, basic item, we'll tell the collider that a basic item is found, that this basic item is found. Play it. I should probably ID these, like basic item, small charge. I should probably make scripts that are unique to each item. We don't have many. We have scrap, we have a basic charge, we have a large charge and an overcharge. There's not really much else. So it probably better to just make like unique scripts for each one, I'm thinking. So is found is true. So yeah, let's change this class to basic item, small charge. I think that just does it like that. Basic item. We go to scripts, basic item. Oops. Scenes.
goodness. Okay, I'm exporting the normies character sheet right now. You let me know what you think about it.
Why do I keep doing this? Oh, I am an item manager. Okay. Dang. You're getting lost over here, bro. I don't know what's going on. I'm kind of groggy. I stayed up till like midnight last night and then got up at the same time again. That jacks me up every time. Small charge equals find object type. Small charge. Okay, and then where's small charge? Well, I didn't even set it to where it does something. I gotta tell small charge to give you shit.
I have 14. $256 would work.
So are you pushing them in? Do I need to?
Hold on. I'm setting this guy up.
So I have to cut it at 12:30 today, no later. Actually, about 12:30.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm pushing that through. All right, that should be there. Where's my?
What is basic item? Oh, did it duplicate it? Is something else using basic item? Let's see, large charge. Remove that. Overcharge. Yeah, we can remove that.
I fucked it up. Well, not bad, but.
So the item manager will say, what is the sound we're looking for? For now, it's just going to be just a basic pickup sound. Okay, so now we're going to say that the item manager clips 0, so we need to make that. We'll go into item check, say bar clip is equal to. Nice, bud.
Okay.
Digging them.
What?
Boogie's doing some Roboy concepts. They're in the
Nice.
They're in the general chat in SmackDown.
Gotcha. Going.
Variable clip
Cool.
is equal to clips.
Okay.
I'll call it clips 0. Clips. Yeah, clips. Okay, so clips 0.
I could probably try to do that guy real quick. Hold on. So I got like a normal enemy on there. I like boogies. That could be like a flyer guy or something. I'm gonna see if I can build that real quick. Hold on.
All charge is found. Then
What's the thing that I used?
play. Oh, source. Do I not have a source component in here? Do I have a source on the thing? Audio clip. Okay. So source play.
That's cool. Is that Boogie? Mike Wachowski?
Yeah. Isn't that an awesome name?
Oh, great name. Oh my god, what? That's hilarious.
Yeah, those look really good, Bug. I like
I
them.
like those. I'm making the top one right now. I'm about to start making them.
Cool. Yeah, why don't you know what? Why don't Bug you start sending these concepts directly to Jason via Discord or through here, either way. Or we could, you know what? You could make a channel that's directly or specifically for game art.
Well, here I can just invite him to mine, and then he could just send it directly to me.
Item manager charge is up here. So charge, current charge is equal to current charge plus. So current charge is equal to current charge plus. We'll call it item charge. Actually, what will we call this? We'll call it basic boost. No, it sounds basic boost sounds like some ratchet stuff. Okay, we'll call it plus small increment. That's what we'll say. Small increment and increment. Did I spell that right? That looks so weird. Small increment does not. I'm gonna change it just on that. That just looks weird. All right. Small increment will be public.
Yeah, do that, Boogie. That's a good idea.
And it will initialize to 100. Oh, it would be a public float. No, int.
Okay,
Small.
back to what I was doing.
So now if using charge. Okay, so now if player here, where is our item check? We say current charge is equal to current charge plus small increment. And I think that should do it. And now I need to make sure that it doesn't play the one shot over here. The item, basic item. We do not want to play the one shot. Okay. Let's see if that works. Nope. So what I can do though is test at least to see if it gave us our boost. The sound thing is starting to piss me off, but what can you do?
We can burn this mother down, Pookie.
Did it give me more charge? I didn't see it go up.
Where were those? There they are. Okay. Yeah. And then let's do this. Oh shit.
Oh. Item manager. Current charge equals current charge plus small increment. If small charge is found. Oh. If small charge is not found. That doesn't need that. Okay, so. Okay, current charge equals current charge plus small increment. Small increment is. Oh, let me make sure it's. Where did I put that? That's here, right? Small increment. Yes. It's an item. Oh, I didn't save it. That might do it. Here we go. Small increment 100. Play. Select the player. Where's the player? Here he is. Okay, so jump force, jump cost. Oh, it would actually be an item manager.
Okay.
Okay, recharge rate multiplier 0. Now we can really test this. Okay, so okay, no charge. And it didn't give me any more. Okay, so I'm not telling it to. Does it give me anything? Nope, nothing. Okay. If item check, small charge is found. If small charge is found, source play one shot clip. Do we have an audio source on the item manager? Nope. That is probably why. So let's see if we get sound. Nope.
Hold on. Can I?
Can you what?
Let's see if I could send a. No, it has to be in the call, doesn't it?
What are you trying to do?
I was gonna share my screen with Boogie to see what he thought about this, but he's not in the call. Never mind.
Yeah, well, he's kind of technically supposed to be doing school. He's just watching in the background. So,
Dope.
dude, what is going on with this? Why is this not playing any sound? Okay, particles are working. Sound is not working.
Kind of more spherical, isn't he?
Well, neither one of the things that should be working are working. Now I gotta read. That sucks. Clips 0. Okay, so we know that that's the correct clip. Play that clip. If small charge dot is found source, play one shot. Okay, let's just take the one shot out again. Kind of getting on my nerves because it should not be taking this long. This should not be taking this long. Now it just will not play the sound. Let's see if it gave me stuff. So
I had to edit it a little bit, but
what the
dope.
heck, dude?
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'm sharing my screen book. So that's what I did based off your little sketch. I had to edit him a little bit to fit him in a 16. You could actually look at it too right now if you wanted to, Clint.
I'm kind of like, I can, but quickly.
Your balls deep.
Yeah.
Hey, no worries.
I'm thinking, oh, that was cool.
But yeah, that's what I did off of his little
Nice.
picture.
Now, how to get out of here? Let's see, can I leave the stream? How do I do that? Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh my God, get out of my face. Okay.
Infinite. How do I?
We have an audio source. We have clips. We have an output. Nothing's muted.
Am I live? That's weird.
Source. Play. Audio source.
There we go. Alright, so now I'm gonna animate the little bastard.
Item check is happening at the start, but it's not happening. Is it up? Oh my God. I'm such an idiot.
Oh, is it that kind of? Is that kind
Yeah.
of
I don't know how I didn't put. Okay, so it checks the items at the start. Maybe I'm putting this in the wrong spot. So we got update, grapple move. Nope, it is definitely item check. Oh my gosh, dude. I have it going. It's basically checking to see if I'm gonna touch an item right when I start up, and that's it. It doesn't ever check again. That's why I'm not getting any. Well, the collision happens, but it doesn't check to see if that collision happened and then do the things I wanted to do. I think I fixed it. Let me see. Okay. That was some basic shit right there, bro.
basic bro shit?
It was super basic, bro. I didn't even check. Oh, but the sound did weird shit. That was weird. Okay, let's use up some energy. Yep. Oh my God, that filled me all the way up.
Oh, that's what she said.
That wasn't what I wanted to happen. Okay, so if he's... Item check says, if small charge is found, current charge equals current charge plus small increment. Oh, that's a tough one. I could say, okay, so basically it's trying to increment it every cycle, so I need to tell it to do it one time. I know how to do this. Again, I'm just going to look it up because I'm lazy.
That's too much. So let's do that. And then on this one, we can move it. This one. Leave it down. Back up. Cool.
Private static. Okay, so private static. So that the result gets set the first time the method is called, preventing it from running again. Alright, let's see this. Oops. Dang it. Hurry up, GitHub. Get out of my way. Okay. So void item check. We could say... don't think that's correct. That's not what I'm looking for. I don't think. Private static field on the class, the results get set first time method is called, prevent it from running again. Class B, private static bool, foo run false. Public static. Okay, so private static bool, foo run false. So what we would say is change. I did not type that. That's. Can I not do that here? So what it's wanting. Private. Wrong button. Private. Is going to be called is found. Let's say small charge found. Okay, so small charge is found. What? Why don't you like that? What does it not like? The name small charge found does not exist in the current context. Small charge is found is equal to small charge dot is found. Oh, small charge dot is found.
Oh, I see what I did. Be like that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why doesn't it like any of that? Not a fan.
Not at all.
No. Okay, so how did I do it when it jumps? I mean, why can I not remember how I do these things? If input jump cost, item manager jump cost. Let me look at that. Okay, jump cost. Where's that at?
I didn't know what he intended this to be, but I'm going to call this one flyers. Looks like a flying item.
Minus, oh, the player has jump cost. Okay, so the item has, okay, let's try that. So basic item, item manager, basic item.
Interesting. All right, one at a time.
Is found. Okay, public bool charge, or not bool, it's public int charge replenish. Initialize that to 100. We're going to take that off of the item manager. Okay. Recharge rate multiplier. Current charge is an int. Update charge. If using charge, current charge cost. Okay, so we'll make a replenishing charge. No, we want to make it where the item gives you the stuff. So charge is equal to charge replenish. Okay. Doesn't want that. I got instantiated. Okay, so I have it. Okay, small charge. That would be small charge dot charge replenish. Where was that at? Basic item small charge replenish. Oh, public, yeah, it's there. Okay, charge replenish. Basic item. Ooh, where is basic item? Small charge. So this is it. This is not correct. Oh my gosh. What happened here? Okay, so basic item,
That's
small
right.
charge. Okay, so we need to get rid of this guy. Okay. Okay, so this is update variable replenish is equal to small charge dot charge. Why do you not see that? What is the problem here? Okay. Small charge is the basic item small charge. Which is here. Basic item small charge. Degrees. Frequency is found. That was, I guess it was on the other one. Public int charge replenish. Item manager. Give me what I want. There we go. Let's try this. Okay. So, oh, I'm an idiot. Plus, I mean, really, why do I even need this? Okay, so you said you pushed something already? You pushed something over?
I did. I had some normies. I did like one bad guy, and then I just finished the one that Boogie did the concept on, and I'm about to push that one through too.
For now, don't move any of the items. Just leave them there for now.
I'm really not touching anything in Unity at all.
What?
Hmm?
What'd you say?
I said lunchtime.
No, it's not.
For me, it is.
Okay. All right. Greetings and salutations, Cloutos. Welcome. Thanks for joining.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay. What was I doing? Okay, small charges found, small charges dot replenish. And item check. Small charges found. We don't want to do the increment. We can take the increment out.
Because it was in that.
I don't think we're gonna need the item check. Okay. Current charge, small charge replenish. Let's try that. Okay, smart charges found. We don't need these. Close that. I'm gonna cry tears of joy if this works.
I put it in the wrong
I'm bad.
bollocks.
Dude, Cloutos, it's because there's no sound effects. I've turned them on and everything. It will not let me know when somebody is chatting. I hate it. It's driving me nuts. But yes, I am bad at reading chat. I honestly feel like I probably should just not even acknowledge it for the most part, because I will always forget to look at it. Crash. Object reference is not set. Okay, what do we do? Where do we do the basics? Small charge not found source play. Small object reference is not set.
Go back to this file. X cancel. That's why. Okay. Okay, I put it in the wrong damn thing. If I put it in the wrong folder, can I drag it in the hierarchy in Unity from like items to norm characters? Will that work?
What? Ask me one more time. What'd you say?
If I put the character in the wrong folder, can I drag it in the hierarchy or in the project? I'm sorry, in the project section of Unity from one folder to the other.
If you drag an asset from one folder inside of Unity to another?
Never mind. I just
No,
did it.
yeah, it won't mess it up. You can move shit around. It's no big deal.
Okay.
I like accidentally put scripts in the base folder all the time, and then I just move them into scripts and stuff like that. So, all right.
So with this one, it's 12 times 16.
So it doesn't like basic item small charge.
192.
Public class. Where is it trying to call it at? Assets item manager 105.
Okay. All right, I just pushed through the little circle guy that Bug drew in Discord.
Yeah.
I just made and animated that dude. He looked like a flying guy, so that's what I called it.
Cool.
It's called Flyers.
Oh god, where's this stupid null reference? Shut up. It says okay. Asset scripts item manager 105 and 96. So it's probably the stupid small charge. Okay, let's just do this. Small charge, small charge, small charge, small charge. Where the hell are you? Small charge. We're just gonna remake you here. Missing. Current charge. Small charge dot charge replenish. Update charge. Oh, what is not like about that? No worries, dude. Lurking is always welcome. And next time I see you on there, I'll go lurk too. What? Is there, oh, you know, is there an is found? Public, yep. And are we say, yep. Is found as false. On trigger, it is true. I think I'm just gonna go back to having the audio source on the thing because this is just pissing me off, bro. Like, this should be working. And now it's saying it doesn't even like the whole reference to the, oh my god, to the small charge script that I just spent, you know, an hour trying to tweak into here. All right, source.play current charge, small charge, charge replenish. I don't like it. Let's just see if that works. I doubt it will. Dude, if you want to see me getting like super hyper PO'd, you can go back a few streams. There's one where I was trying to get the audio manager to work. And I freaking rage quit, bro. If you watch it to the end, you'll see me just be like, fuck this shit. Wow, I'm out of here. You know, like I was just like, nope. Yeah. So now it doesn't like small charge. Ah, damn it. Because I changed the fucking class, dude. That's what it is. Basic item, small charge. You know what? Fuck this bullshit. Where is that thing at? I'm over this. Oh, God. Why was it not on there? Was it look? I guess I was looking for the other one. I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. Work. Damn you. You better do everything I want you to do right now. That's all I gotta say. After all that crap. Well, it didn't do anything I wanted it to do except for actually run the game. It did nothing I wanted it to
do. He said, nah, you know.
I did get another null reference, so I'm sure that's the problem. Oh, maybe not. Okay. So... Might help if I actually look at what I'm trying to track here. Let's see. Play. Player. Item manager. Current charge. Current charge is 400. I grab the new lightning, and it's still 400. I think that's because I took that thing out. I'm out of it today, bro. I didn't even really want to stream today. I was kind of feeling like not doing it because I'm kind of groggy from the what you call it?
Got it out.
Allergies.
What do you? Oh yeah, okay. Dude, they're fucking brutal. I'm not lying. I get it.
Is found is equal to true. Okay, so now if small charge is found and it's equal to true, source play, which it doesn't do. Let's say current charge is equal to. How can I do that? It's easy to make it like go down over time, you know, based on like usage. It's easy to make it come up, you know, when you're not using it. That's all easy. But I'm having trouble wrapping my head around how to tell it to only do something once. I mean, I saw in this other thing, this guy was doing like his own custom method where he basically said, if this thing has been used, don't do it again. Which seems like such a noodly way to do it, man. There's got to be a simple solution to getting shit to play only one, to do something only one time, you know? Like there needs to be that. I'm sure there is. And without having to like completely manufacture it. Let me see here. Look again.
Yeah, man, I don't know. That is a conundrum.
Because I mean, if you think of what's happening, the computer is looping through these things, right? So 3.6 billion times a second, it's, you know, ticking through and going to each little execution. So,
right.
So like you do it once, and then it like loops back around, and it's going, okay, so it went up. And now I'm gonna do it again. So what happens is when I do it the way that I just wasn't thinking and did like a kind of like a time plus delta time type deal. It's not even that. It's just like a little plus equals thing, but basically increments it over time. I did that and it like shot all the way back up. So it means that it was like real quickly adding all that stuff. So I need to figure out how to just say do it one time and then shut up and go away. You know.
Yeah. Well, I have faith. I think you'll get there.
It's starting to look like I'm just gonna have to create a little method that's kind of flags it as, hey, you did that. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, so
some of these other ones he sent me. Somebody sent me a message.
At least get the damn thing to play. Let's say Ooh.
Oh, that's a crazy looking guy. That could be a boss.
Recharged is equal to false.
Let me look at this. What is this thing?
Okay, so I say small charge is found, bool recharge is equal to false. Then I can say if recharged is equal to false, do a coroutine. No, that needs I need that. I can do it. Okay, if it's equal to false, do add this thing and set it to true, add the thing, and then set it back to false. All in one go. Let me try that. So we say if small charge is found, recharged. Let's actually put this variable here. Small charge is found. Okay, so recharged is equal to true. And then if that is true, if not recharged, throw an exception and just return. We'll just say return on that. Else, source play and we'll say source play and we'll say current charge is equal to current charge plus small charge dot charge replenish. Say equal, I mean plus. Okay, so plus. Golly, man. Okay. Current charge plus charge replenish. And then right after that, let's go back and call recharged false. Okay. So if small charge is found, recharge is equal to true. If recharged is false, go ahead and go back. Else, recharged is equal to true. If charge is found, okay, so I don't even think I need to check that. If charge is found, recharged equals true. Source play. Yeah, let's just take this whole thing out. Let's see if it looks like this. Looks better anyway. Recharge equals true. Source play, current charge plus the thing, and then recharged equals false. Hope that works. All right, everything worked except the audio. I think. Well, I didn't check the... Nope, it shot it back up to 1,000. Like instantly. See, that's the thing, is it keeps doing it, and I don't know how to freaking stop it. It's driving me nuts. Okay. And here we go, Jason. This is one of those times I was telling you, dude. Something stupid requires a lot of research for something pretty basic that you would think is basic, you know? If task is completed, object is set active true. It's not what I'm looking for. Ooh, that's a good one. I could do a coroutine to an I enumerate with a null yield, time yield, cleanup code. That might work. Start coroutine, and we'll call it recharge. This code is getting massive, dude.
Well, I mean, that was inevitable, right?
I'd like to, I mean, I feel like I could go refactor a lot of this crap out, like, and just really clean it up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. I mean, I'm not even at that point yet. It's getting so newly, and I'm so scatterbrained, bro, that it's like, I forget what I'm doing and shit. All right, let's see, recharge. What does it want out of me? Yeah, because I don't return anything. Excuse me. No, wrong button. These guys here. X. Tau. Okay, these are all the things. Play, current charge is this. We can say, oh, I need to set recharge to be here. That. Okay, so we could say that's not used. What is that? What is that right there? Okay, so recharged equals false. Let's try yield. New yield return is yield return. Return null. Okay, source play. So we go up here and we are definitely calling for it. Start coroutine recharge. Okay. Yep. So visually it's acting correctly. And that's kind of a good thing. But everything else is just saying, nah man, screw you. Okay. Word charged equals false. See if putting that there might help. What the hell, dude? Did I spell it wrong? I don't understand why that says that. All right. So I guess it's going to be one of those days where I'm just going to be able to get this done, if anything. One thing. And now I don't even use charge because it's constantly trying to do that. So it's actually adding more charge than I can even use. Oh, this is pissing me off. You know, I don't even care anymore. We're not gonna.
Is this for the pickups or something?
Yeah, I want the fucking pickups to give you, like, okay, when you do health or something, you know, you tell, like, say you have a heart, you tell it, hey man, add 10 to the player. That the health amount is 10, right? Well, I'm doing kind of the same thing, and it's not handling it correctly, and I cannot figure out for the life of me. And it's for both the audio and for the jeez, I can't even think today, bro. I like, seriously, my brain is not even working correctly. The audio and the, like, amount that it's supposed to add to you is not working, even though in my brain it feels like it should be working. Yeah, like it's not kicking me back any weird errors. It's not, you know, it's not liking the syntax. It seems to be okay. The only problem is that it's being a stupid computer and doing it every time it needs to, and I don't know how to tell it to, and I, for some reason, cannot find it on Unity. Can't tell it how to only do the damn thing once. And when I go look at stuff online, I mean, trying the things that they're saying, and it doesn't seem to be working correctly.
Just no love.
Yeah. I've tried this one here, you know, basically, like, is the thing running? And if it is, do these things. And if it's not, then right afterwards, call it not running anymore type shit. It's not, I've tried that. I've tried using basically it'll kind of count to zero. So to say count to zero, do something, and then be done, and that's not working. God, this pisses me off. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, I'm so quiet, dude. I'm just like zoned in right now.
It's all good. I'm reading shit. You know what I could do is I could have it. This gave me an idea. I could have it say, okay, do the thing you want to do that I want you to do. Wait. I didn't tell it to actually. Put up here. Well, how did it do that?
What name do you like better, Boomers or Exploders?
Boomers.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit of just random. If this works, it's so janky, dude. This is so janky if this works. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. All right. And then I'll set recharged back to false. Okay. Use up all this charge. We have one charge. We get it, and it fills up and doesn't stop filling up. So again, it's still not waiting. Did I do the logic correctly? Okay, we got current charge plus small charge replenish. Small charge replenish is 100. It should just add 100.
Okay. Oh, maybe there's a better way to do this.
Oh, dude, this might be it. I could have looked at this a long time ago. I just like figuring it out, and I don't like going back and trying to just jack shit from the past, because then I don't really learn what I'm doing. But I think I might have found what the problem is. Okay, so we're going to put it right here to look at it. We say, if the item manager has charge, return. Else, if my body, blah, blah, blah. Item manager doesn't have charge, return. So, else, this is on a jump input. My current charge equals item manager dot current charge. Am I doing item manager? I'm doing current charge, so it should have worked. So if it has charge, then we return. Else, we don't need this. We don't want this. Because else, item manager current charge equals item manager current charge plus replenish. And that will happen whenever, if item manager has charge. So basically whenever charge is. Yeah, that should be on trigger. So if I, yeah, okay, let's try it right here. Oh, that's actually the place for it. Okay. Item manager current charge to the blah blah blah. Go to item manager. We can say, what is up with that? Okay, item manager. We don't want any of this. Get rid of. Don't want to get rid of it. So that way I know what I tried already. See. Are you able to hear that music that I'm playing? Can you hear that?
Oh, I'm playing my own, dude. I have no idea.
Okay.
Hold on.
No, I was just curious. I didn't know if you could hear it through Discord.
No, not at all. Not at all, sir.
What time is it? 11:30? Okay. So I get, yeah, this is my mission now, is getting this damn thing to work. Yes. Yes. The charge worked. The hard part, I think I got it figured out. Okay. So boom, we get it. It didn't work. So it worked and then it didn't work. What?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go all the way to 0 because I think that's what allowed it to happen. Yes. Okay, so I think I know what the problem is now. We go here and we can say, instead of, it's on small charge, instead of doing this part here, if it has, okay, so I'm just gonna take this entire shit out.
Oh no.
I'm gonna put this in here and watch. It broke it. I guarantee you I just broke it. I had it somewhat working and now it's gonna go, nah, sorry, bro, you're stupid.
No.
Okay, 500, 600. All right. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yep. Small charge now provides actual charge to the player. Okay, so that's a good thing. Recharge rate multiplier 1, can put that back. Save this mofo. And now I got to get the sound working. And dude, hey, now I can just copy that over the other items. And what I wanted to do today is done. So all I really wanted to do is get these items done. I knew we only had 2 hours. Alrighty. Sound. Okay, so on the item manager. I don't think the item manager should have the sounds. So we're going to go back to item manager. We're going to tell clips to go away. I don't think it needs an audio source. Take this out. And oh wait, this is source. I'm an idiot. We don't need clips though. We just need the source. Okay, boom. Get component audio source clips. We don't need this. And source play is found true. Degrees per second. Source blah 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 blah. Save that. Okay. Looks correct. Now the way that I always do audio is just, do I have it muted? I wonder if I have it muted. No. Okay. Weird. Okay, so small charge. Fuck is going on, man? Like seriously, this is one of those things that I'm like, what? Okay, definitely have it on there. Small charge. So when I go to small charge and I say if the player hits it, source dot play. It's found. Oh, do I disable it? If it isn't found, else source volume. If is found, return, else source volume is 0. And it won't be return, it'll be source dot volume. I forgot about doing that earlier. Is equal to, what is it as? 100? 1.
Close to 2, 3.
I think I fixed it. Let's see. That would definitely make sense. Okay, perfect. We still get the double thing, but now the small charge is working. That is awesome.
Okay. I think the boomer will do for now.
Okay, let me copy these over to these other ones and make their little scripts, and I'll be done, and then we can call it a day, and then I'll sync everything over and check out. Do you have it? You want to share your screen? I can look at it.
Give me 1 second. I gotta adjust it real quick. Ooh, did I not do that on the flyers?
I think I'm gonna create a little element for the stream that when I'm getting pissed off, it's just like a little animation, a pixel animation of steam coming out of my ears and like a sweat bead popping up on my forehead. You know what I'm saying?
That's funny.
So when I'm getting mad, I can just hit that and be like, yeah.
Hold on. Need to do some math 20 times.
All right. Put these things on. So we got a basic item, small charge. We're going to need a basic item.
Okay.
Basic item.
320.
Large charge.
512.
Create an ad.
The boomers multiple
not to the timer.
I'm publishing now.
Large charge, basic item, large charge. Where did you go? Did you go into assets? You bastard. Scripts.
I guess I can delete that.
Large charge. Blood. We're gonna need an audio source. That audio source will need the sound effect we want. We need to go out to our SFX master. We will also need, I believe, a particle system. Yeah, I'm gonna need to add a component, particle system. And this particle system will be the same as this one. Copy component, large charge, paste component values. Lastly, we're gonna need a collider.
All right, you should be able to update now, dude.
Okay, give me
And
one.
and then I'm gonna just go ahead and share my screen so you can see it on mine if you want. Or not.
I'm waiting on it to come through.
Oh no, it wasn't letting me go live for a second. Okay.
How much should the large charge give you? 500 or full, or should it? Let's do 500. Should it give you full? No, it shouldn't. It should give you a quarter, right? You think a quarter? So like small charge is 10th and a 10th of your overall available charge, and then large charge should be half. What are you thinking, game designer?
I don't know. See, let's start with that, and then I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to change that based off what it's gonna do.
Well, you'll be able to adjust it in the engine. So
yeah, I mean,
okay.
I guess that kind of all depends, on a lot of different things.
I need to do some serious code refactoring, dude.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, I think those will work.
Oh, I didn't even look at your stream. Let me see what you got.
All right, so did you see the normies?
How do I pop the sucker out? Hold on a second.
Are you?
I'm trying to pop it out. Hold on. Give me 1 second.
No, that's cool.
How do I swear I'm just a useless idiot when it comes to Discord. Seriously, I have no idea how to do anything.
I don't know how to. Yes, I mean, I could probably figure it out if I jump in there real fast. But what are you trying to show it on the stream or whatever?
I don't think I have anybody's details that can. Well, no, I just want to see it. Here we go. Pop out. It was hidden by my. Okay, cool. What is that guy?
That's
normies.
Just the normies. Yeah, that's a normies. Okay.
You want to hear my thoughts on that? Go back real quick.
Sure.
Flip it upside down. Turn him over. Instead of having horns, make it like he's just a little
like
bolt.
I thought it looks too much like a ghost from Pac-Man that way.
It seems. Take the horns off of him. I like the ears. Take the horns off of them, but everything else is good. Yeah.
Take the horns off of them?
Just raise that middle 2 pixels up. Yeah. Yeah. That way they're kind of just basic, They don't have any type of effect that makes them stand out. Yeah, and like really reduce their feature. Really, they could just be straight up blocks, like a block with eyes,
I wanted him to have a little character.
All right, do whatever you want. All right, so get this out of here, showing it the world on my friends.
Hold on. As soon as I'm done fixing this guy, I'll show you the other two, because I have 3 of them that I put in there.
Okay, so now large charge should work. I'm standing on it. That's awesome, because I'm an idiot. Might help if I turn it into a trigger instead of a block. I went to go jump on it and I just stood on it.
Yeah.
Yep, it works. Okay, cool. So now we just need to do overcharge. Now, overcharge...
That's infinite.
Yeah, it's going to be infinite boost, but I think it should also give you a little speed boost. What do you think?
Oh, hell yeah. Because you're like the Flash, supercharged Flash. Okay, so there's the normies. Come back to my screen real quick and look at this. All right, there's the normies with the edit that you suggested.
Nice.
I do agree. They look a little bit more basic that way. I like that.
Yeah, that's good.
And then there's the flyer. That's the one Boogie drew.
Love it. And what'd be cool if those have little bitty like small EMP bursts, like their little attack is that they just pop out a little like maybe
some like
little
that. Yeah, because they're
small
just gonna be floating around.
And so like they have this little like blong that pops out a little ball every once in a while, and if you touch it, it makes your whole controller die for like a half second, and they're strategically placed over pits and shit that'll make you fall down further, and you have to reclimb back up, shit like that.
All right, now this is the boomer. I thought of it kind of like a wall or like a tube, like something, and then a little explosion in the middle, and then the.
Let me see it play it real quick. Oh,
I have to hold on.
You didn't animate it for that. You just made sprite sheets, right?
The other one's animated. Hold on. I don't know where the hell it is. Oh, did I delete it? Oh, I might have deleted it. How the fuck do I guess I can't play it.
But I like that, dude. That's cool. What if he looks kind of like a foundry, right? Like he kind of looks like a little foundry. So what if like in the game we have these like the top of him is like a smoke, like it's not a smokestack, but like a foundry's open, you know what I'm saying? And it kind of has heat rising out of it. What if we use like a little like he's I don't know, like is he gonna be stationary or does he move?
Yeah, he doesn't move. He's just like a thing in the way, and so we can stack them up on top of each other, and they could, boom.
Yeah, let's make him like, what do you call it? A smelter. Let's make him actually. He's a smelter, right? He's called Boomer, but he's actually a smelter in the foundry, right? And then we can have like heat that comes out of the top of him that can hurt you or something.
I figured like you get close to him or touch him, he booms, he
blows up,
and it throws you. And like we were talking, you can use him as a way to get to higher levels or to kind of like get to certain puzzle solving, because he kind of throws you, or you can push enemies into him and it'll throw them or something, shit like that.
What if he has a timed explosion? So you touch him, he's kind of like a bomb. You touch him and he becomes.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, like how he changes dynamic colors.
Yeah.
Like how he kind of like fades in and out on the color. I figured it'd be like a bob-omb.
Yeah.
You touch him and then he like flashes and then it gets faster, like over 5 seconds, and then boom, then he explodes. So you know how long until he pops.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. And that way, and another thing you could do is like maybe also like when you touch him, he is movable, like kind of the way Prize is in the earlier that test level. Like you touch her and she starts flying all around. So basically, you can slide him into things by pushing him.
Well, I was thinking maybe we could put him on stuff that we can then move, shit like that, or
have some later in the game that have wheels.
Yeah, exactly, or something like that, where they kind of float around, or fucking put them on the back of like a flyer or something. Who knows? I don't know. There's a lot of different things you could do.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and push what I've got. I'm gonna update first, and then I'll push what I've got. And so now we've got the charge working, except for overcharge. And
I just updated again because I changed those normies. So, FYI.
So let's do this. Let's update at the end of the stream. You know what I'm saying? And because I can see it through your screen.
I mean, we're pretty much done anyway.
Well, yeah, I was thinking I'm probably gonna call it, because if to do this overcharge, there's a few things I want to do. I definitely want to make him move faster, but I think I also want to do some Super Mario vibe and have him like flip through colors as it's happening, and have a piece of music that plays with it.
Oh, hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. Maybe we could even put like if you could do like a particle effect on him or something, where it looks like little pieces of light is flying off of him, or like lightning bolts. I don't fucking know.
So here's the thing with the particles. Currently, they are just, everything is really placeholder. Right now, I'm mainly working on the mechanics of everything functioning correctly. And then I figure I'll probably be done with our items and enemies probably in about a couple weeks, maybe, you know. And then from that point on, dude, it's gonna be all fun, just creating cool, unique play things. Like, how can we make this fun? That's what it's gonna be after about a month, because once we get all the assets set up and they're working. My stream has ended. Oh, your stream has ended. I was like, what? I'm about to get mad. All right.
Oh no, yeah, I hung up. Sorry.
So yeah, I'm thinking that we're pretty close. We just get the functionality working, and I really just want to do the first zone, and then we can put out the demo and get people to play it. And that's my goal right now. So
I mean, yeah, after we get that first level done, it's sound effects and all that, and getting some dope ass music for that first part.
Yeah, I'm falling in love with the title theme, dude. I really am. Like, I'm gonna play it again real quick. I think this is gonna be.
Do you have a WAV file? Do you have that WAV file
for you to listen to?
Yeah, like I was gonna say, if you can, like,
it's in the game. You can go to.
No. Listen, I wanted you to send me the WAV file, because then I could pull it up on my phone and listen to it when I get a spur of the moment fucking thing. So if I write something, I can try to keep it to the theme. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so basically what I'm trying to say is you already have it. It's in the sound folder. That is an audio file. You can save that to your phone.
In the Dropbox?
Music type. No, it's in the game, right? Go to sound. And in there's a thing called music title theme, right?
Uh-huh.
If you right click on that, you can go to show and explore, and then you can just copy that MP3 to your phone. I mean, if you got Dropbox on your phone, you can literally just go download it from that exact spot.
I don't have yours.
You don't have what?
I don't have your Dropbox on my phone. So I would need to mail this.
Yeah, you just send it to yourself. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and publish. I think let me make sure this works going all the way through it. But man, we are really, I'm liking what we're getting, dude. This is fun. Like, yep, they both work. Everything works. Perfect. Oh no. I figured out how to cheat my own game already. It's awesome. I guess I would know how, since the rockets, they give them to you, but it didn't do the. Oh, I know why, because I didn't start on. Oh, but wait, I did start on the right screen. Let's try it again. Maybe it's just like the first time it doesn't like it or something. I don't know. It's really weird.
Damn it, Dropbox, you're doing this shit to me again. Can you just email that shit to me, because I can't fucking get it. This is stupid.
Yeah, the rocket's being pretty ridiculous. What do you mean you can't get it? Okay, let me show you something real quick. Go on your computer, okay? Go to that sound folder, right click and go show and explorer, and then just on that file that's in there, right click on it and go to email and email it to yourself.
Share, I guess. Nope.
What do you mean there? Let me share your screen.
There's nothing that says email.
Share your screen with me. Let's see.
This is the part.
I'm getting pissed about the rocket. Like, it's being janky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And it's not giving me any reason why it shouldn't in the console. Did you share your screen?
Yes.
I don't see it. Oh, here we go.
Okay, for some reason they decided they wanted to pause it. So, music, title, left click.
Okay, go to share. And then send it to yourself.
Ah.
I mean, or you can just drop it into your Dropbox. Like, literally, if you have Dropbox on your computer, that's the same on your phone.
No, I have your Dropbox on my computer and then the on-air Dropbox on my phone.
Okay, then here's what I'm going to do.
Dropbox.
What email do you use Dropbox on your phone? Because I'm going to send you an invite to that folder for that one.
No, don't. No, it's my work email. No.
But is it your Dropbox account?
No, it's their Dropbox account.
Oh, so why is it on your phone? Just out of curiosity, don't you like load assets
Because
from
I
the
have
PC?
people who fucking call me and be like, "I need this file," and so instead of me having to fucking wait until I go up there, I could just send the damn thing to them while I'm at home, and then fucking charge her for 30 minutes of work.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, though, dude, you should just be able to drop that to yourself somehow. I don't see why you'd have to email.
Well, I've already emailed it, so it's fine.
Well, in the future, well, it's solved now. I'm doing preventative measures now. I'm thinking preventative. All right.
Well, preventatively is me not having to be logged into that damn Dropbox anymore.
I mean, that's what I'd do. If I'm not at work, I'm not going to fucking do shit. That's the way I'd be. I'd be like, nope, sorry. You're going to have to contact whoever's up there right now. That's just the way I would do it. But...
Well, I was going to do it, but your, passwords.
Now it worked. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, I'm glad this is recorded right now because that shit just worked. I did nothing. I changed nothing. Like the 3 times before it didn't work. And then this time it worked. So... yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on.
It just fucking had a hair in its ass, man.
It's a glitch. It is totally a glitch that I need to figure out. But I'm happy. I think today was good. I got mostly what I wanted. Yep, it worked again. It's like if you just kind of work out the kinks by just restarting a couple times, it works. I hope it doesn't do that in the build. If it does that in the build, I'm gonna be furious and start crying every day, hugging pillows. Okay, dude, here's the thing. Before we get offline, we have to have a quick speed run contest. Okay? You can have a few practice tries if you want.
Oh, I don't even have my controller on it, dude.
Oh, come on, bro. Figure that out real quick. Let's do a speed run contest. I put a timer in there and everything. Let's see who's faster.
This is dumb.
No,
You're
it's
gonna
not.
win.
Not true.
Man,
not necessarily.
Played this 1,000 times more than me. Whatever.
You're the game designer, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
No, I'm not. You keep saying that shit. But that we both know that ain't true.
I'm trying to shoehorn you, bro. I'm trying to shoehorn you.
Both know that ain't true. All right, hold on. I have to fucking get on stupid things and fucking to entertain no one.
Me? Yeah, me, bro. You're entertaining me. Come on now. Like, what's up with that? You don't want to entertain your homie?
No,
Oh.
not at all. Title screen is where I have to start.
Yeah,
right?
yes, that's like the start of the game. And do you like having it to where the start of the game is to go over and touch her and then press start? I'm kind of digging that. Like that would be it doesn't have to look like this. Obviously the level is basic as hell, but I'm saying like the way you start the game is to walk over to her and touch her, or is that kind of lame?
I don't know. We'll figure that out later.
I really just like the idea of you just waking up in the junkyard. Like when you press start, you're in the junkyard. Like it's like
Yeah, I would
it
say
just has
just
like a Roboy title page.
Yeah.
And then you hit start and
then
you
boom.
wake up in the
Yeah.
junkyard.
I agree.
Excuse me.
Okay.
I guess now we need to start kind of considering spoilers and how much we actually want to divulge on this. I guess it doesn't
Yes.
matter.
Yes, no, it does. It 100% does.
Well,
I don't think we talk about story elements or anything like that on here. We
I-
simply talk about like the technicals and the character design. That's it.
Well, I think once we get towards, like, when we get towards the end part of the game, after we get through all the 6 stages, you know what I'm saying? Or the 6 areas. I think at that point, you should be in full-blown art mode, and I should not be doing any of that. Like, if I do, it's not on stream, you know?
Yeah.
And so that way we can kind
Are
of...
we ready to play this shit?
Yeah, go for it. I was going to let you do some practice runs.
No, let's just go.
Well, go for it. Let me see what you got.
All right, I'm hitting play.
Oh, no. There's a timer. You don't have to do all that. Let me see. I want to watch it. Share your screen.
God damn it.
You
Am
act
I
like
not?
this is like going out and having to like load a wheelbarrow full of dirt and take it somewhere.
It is. This is totally annoying. Hold on, I gotta kill my music because I'm getting cross sounds here. Jesus Christ. So loud. Alright.
Are you sharing?
Thought so.
Yeah, you are. Okay. Are you getting music and sound over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that one's not done yet. So if you wait to grab those charges when you come back, you can get across shit fast. Hey, you want me to tell you a little secret trick so that I don't kick your ass? If you reset your character to your spawn, it'll fill your energy back up. So you can set your spawn anywhere, right? So like on a wall, you could set your spawn and hit start again and continue up the wall. You know what I'm saying? Little trick. It's kind of like a little speed run hack.
Well, infinite loop of that. So yeah, no. All right. We done? Hello.
Oh, I have the damn thing muted. I've been sitting here talking to a muted mic for fucking 3 minutes. All right.
Jeez.
Yeah, you beat me, dude. You beat me. All right, here we go. Are you watching the stream?
I was, yeah. because I couldn't hear you. So.
Okay, what I was trying to say is if you use your little teleports. See how I'm doing that?
No, I'm not watching anymore.
I use my teleports to recharge my health while I'm climbing, right? And then you can also go back to so when you're going to get the rocket, if you set your teleport, right, outside of the rocket and then go get the rocket, you can teleport back. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I see.
You see what I'm saying? So you can really optimize a speed run by strategically
and
placing.
That right there is why I'm not the game designer.
You can optimize the speed run by setting your telepoint in certain places. So if I go and do this and I go right here, I get this thing. I go over here to get the rocket, and then what I'll do is I'll just immediately teleport back. You see that? Then I'll come over here and I'll set one here. And I really should be using my rocket. And if I run out, I just do some more right there. You know what I'm saying?
That's clever.
I messed up because I was supposed to do this.
Clever, clever, clever. All right, you already updated, right? Yeah, I'm updated, so we're good.
So kind of the goal with the timer is I want to have certain areas of the map where the camera moves over and kind of picks this whole little screen and it kind of locks on that little area and then the timer starts. And as soon as you walk in, it does this. And you know, oh, this is a little speed run area. And then if you can get past, get under a certain time when you go through there, you might get a little bonus at the end of it or something. Or like a big energy or overcharge or something. That's
cool.
That's how I want to integrate the speedrunning aspect into the actual Metroidvania style loops. Loop. All right, bro. Well, shit, that was awesome. That was really cool. I think I want to do the overcharge on stream because that's going to be fun to do. I think it might be frustrating and piss me off, but who cares?
Yeah, who gives a shit?
All right, man. Well, I guess I'm gonna bounce off here and go eat something, man. And
word. Yeah, whenever Boog gets back or whatnot, tell him you can show him that little thing because I think he asked to look at it. If he ever saw me.
Well, I'll just tell him to get with you in Discord. Y'all should be. If he's gonna be creating, I don't want to be the catalyst for that. It's easier for you guys to just share it because he's really coming up with some cool ideas, bro. He's a great concept guy.
Yeah, I like it.
So all right, man, I'm gonna jump off and eat. Anybody who's in here watching, I can't tell because my stream is telling me it's 0 viewers and I know that's not true. So thanks for watching and yeah, see you next time.
Later.